Hello everybody, how are you doing today? Welcome to a modding tutorial for Minecraft 1.0.0. The reason I am doing this, and I deleted my old modding tutorials, is because modding for 1.1.0 actually has some differences that we are going to work out. But basically, at the end of this video, you will be able to make your own mod that adds a block. That block will be craftable. That block will have a custom ID, and it will have a custom texture that does not rely on Minecraft's terrain.png, and I'll go into other tutorials later, but it's been a while since I've done a tutorial, so I thought I'd bring you guys one today. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make a folder right here. As you see, there's nothing in it, but we are going to go into Chrome, or your internet browser of choice, and we are going to download ModLoader. We are going to download decompile fixes. And we're going to go to the MCP page and click Release Information. Scroll down and grab MCP 5.0 zip. And then we're done in there. Next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to update your Minecraft. So open up Minecraft. And then you will want to do Options, Force Update, Done, and then Log in. I have already done this. So we're going to go ahead and close that out. We're going to go to our Downloads folder, which I have down here. I've got it all in here. It's just running away from me. Grab MCP 50, take everything here, just extract it right into this folder. Then you are going to open up your jars folder. You're going to go to App Data. You will go to your Minecraft. You will grab Bin and Resources, copy them, and then paste them into the jars folder. Excuse me, I had to burp. Breakfast does that to me. Now we're going to go into our bin folder in our Minecraft tutorial folder. We're going to open up Minecraft.jar with WinRAR. Set this over here. You do not have to delete the meta.inf folder, so don't worry about that. Let's head back into our downloads. Head to ModLoader. Take everything. And just drag her. That's not what I wanted to do. Undo. No, you're not. Fine, I'll just delete it. Ignore that step that I just did there. Because that was a complete fail. And put it right in there. Just like so. So we're done with that. We are done with ModLoader. Remember that decompile fix that I had earlier, and we will use that in a little bit here. So now we are going to decompile. I will not show you how to set up your path and everything for Java in this video. I will let you figure that out on your own. If it is really that hard, if you guys can't figure it out, let me know, and I will show you guys how to set up your path with Java. So once we get done with this, we will get going on the actual modding part. Once we are done decompiling, that hunk error that happens right there is completely fine. That is completely normal, especially when you're modding with ModLoader. Excuse me. Take a sip of my Coke while we wait. See why my phone vibrated, I suppose. Brown cow. Just Twitter. Just Twitter. Just Twitter. Alright, we're recompiling the client now, which is also normal. Don't freak out. And this right here where it says missing jar file, jars Minecraft server.jar aborting, ignore that. That is simply because you're not modding the Minecraft server. Press any key to continue. Done. So now we're going to go into our source folder here. Minecraft, net, Minecraft, source. And we are going to go into our downloads and grab this ModLoader decompile fix, this mlprop.java. We are done with our downloads. Take this and drop it right in there. Move and replace. Problem solved. And there we are with that. Next, what you're going to want to do actually is, I forgot about this. This will actually be done showing you guys how to mod with Eclipse. That I just spelt wrong, but you guys will figure it out. Go to downloads. Download for your operating system. Mine is 64-bit. The way you can find out is just simply go to my computer, right click, properties, and it'll say right here, system type, system 64-bit operating system. So we can close that out. Did it download? No. And download from Columbia University, I suppose. This will take a second. About 2 minutes. That's not too bad. Yeah. Wait, I actually have Eclipse, so... But that's how you get Eclipse that way. So I'm going to go over to my other area, and I'm going to grab my Eclipse. Tools, Eclipse. I'll move that to my desktop. Bring it over here. Open up my other things that I had over there for reference, so I'm not screwing up all the time. So we'll open up Eclipse here. We will go to the Eclipse application. Open it up, and just minimize that. Actually, you can close the Eclipse folder. I always find it a good idea to keep the source folder open. But now what we're going to do is we're going to click Browse right here. We are going to go to our desktop. We are going to go to the modding tutorial folder. We are going to click Eclipse, and we are going to click OK. We'll click OK, and it will load up. Loading Workbench, loading all this other stuff. Excuse me. Alright, and here we are with Eclipse. So, I just started learning Eclipse. Using Eclipse, not learning it. Using. What we're going to do is we're going to click on the little arrow next to Client. Click on Source. Click on Net Minecraft Source. And then here we have all of the Minecraft Java files. We're not going to worry about any of those right now. I use them mainly for reference. First thing we're going to do here is we're going to go up here and we're going to click this New Class button. Okay. And then we're going to do Mod. And I'm just going to call it Mod Tutorial. Oh, hold on. Don't. Okay. Make sure you have it clicked on here. Where are there errors? Is there an error? Okay. So you're going to, actually, I lied. You do want to go in here. You want to open up mlprop.java. And you want to delete, you want to uncomment this section right here. So that it does import the Minecraft source. And then we are good, I do believe, once we save it. There we go. Now, we click New Class. Notice everything's filled out for me up here. So we're going to do mod tut. And we will get our pretty little folder right here. So we're actually going to go public class mod tut extends base mod. Oops, excuse me, I'm definitely failing. And I spelled base mod wrong. You do have to have it capitalized there. I will have a forum post with this code in it so that you can get it all figured out for yourself. It is going to have errors right here, but ignore them for right now. Actually, we will solve that error real quick. We're going to go down here to the bottom here, and we're going to type in public string get version closing and opening parentheses. That was the wrong button. Right there. All right, and then we're going to do return. And then name what it is. So it's mod tut. You can actually type whatever you want in here. Version 1.0 slash Minecraft 1.0.0. And that's just what I do so that then throw a semicolon at the end. I do that simply to make sure I'm all set. What's that for? Oh, to complete class body. Interesting, because I don't have an opening one. Alright, so now, I grab my references over here, because I can't do it from memory yet. But I want to just make sure we do it all right. So, we're going to head over in here, we're going to tab over, we're going to do public, void, and then load. This is new in 1.0, so no worries if you don't understand that. That's good. Why are you freaking out? Why am I deleting this token? Oh, okay. So delete that. And then you want to add one more at the end here. Like so. So then in this public void load, this is our constructor. This is where a lot of our stuff is going to be. So we are going to do a block. So we're going to start out with mod loader register block. And that's what I like about Eclipse is right here, public mod loader register block. Double click on that, and then we'll call the block tut block. Go over to the end, semicolon, enter. Next thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to give a name to it. So we'll go mod loader, add name, excuse me, to tut block. You can hit tab, it'll bring it right over just like that. We'll call it tutorial block. Just like so. So there's our add names. Next thing that will be in here is our recipes, but we don't have a recipe for our block quite yet. So we are going to jump down, we're going to exit this, and now we're going to do this. We're going to go at mlprop equals min, or sorry, not equals, parenthesis min 1.0d, comma, max, oops, I gotta put a space there. I don't know why it's not doing what I want to do, but max equals 1024d over. Do not put a semicolon here. Now we're going to do public static integer tut block ID equals, and then this is going to be our custom ID, and I'm just going to go with 150 because it's a nice simple, it's up there, won't interfere with anything, and that will give us that. Next thing we're going to do down here is we're going to initialize our blocks. I like to comment my stuff so I can find my stuff easy, which this is nice and simple. Public static integer block tutorial tut block. Just like that, and I do believe that is all we really need in here until we do our crafting recipe. So we're going to save this. Yes, we still have errors, but that is because we haven't made our block yet. So we're going to start up a new class. I'm going to go over here to my stuff, just like so. And actually, if you'll excuse me for a sec, I got to open up one more thing for myself. I know I should be more prepared than this. I'm sorry, guys. Still love you. Hope you still love me. I have to pick a good block to use. I suppose I can just use dirt block. Alright, so what we're going to do is we are going to name it block tut block, like so. Finish. We will get this wonderful thing, which is nice and perfect. I hate how they do it like that, so we're just going to do that. And inside of here, notice how it already imports. I just pointed at my screen with my finger, like you can see that. Up here, package.net.minecraft.source, it already imports all that for you, gets your stuff started for you. But what you want to do is you want to make it extend block, like that. And then in here, geez, that's weird, that's new. Hold on, I need to reopen. Let's reopen. Actually, alright, I got this figured out in my head. I swear I have this figured out in my head. Alright, just grab my stuff. There we go. Alright. So now I got my stuff open and got it all going in my head. We're going to type in public. We're going to tab over because that's how I do it. Public block tut block integer I, comma, integer d. Hop out here, hit enter, brackets, super I, j, material, and then, oops, that's actually got to be capital, my bad, material, and we'll just make it a stone-based block. Head on over, add a bracket, right there, and then we're going to set it up so it drops the correct block. So public integer ID dropped. Apparently that's not a valid material. Stone cannot, okay, so, oh wait. Ah, whoa, I don't know what I just did, but I'm going to undo it. Change to, oh, is it, change to rock, sorry, it's rock, not what I wanted it to be. So we're going to do integer I, random, which reminds me we need to also go up here and we need to import Java util random. Just like so. We're going to go right here, we're going to enter, bracket, tab over, which we didn't have to tab over that time, return, and then we're going to type in mod, whatever the name of your mod is, so mod tut dot tut block dot block, no, just tut block dot block ID. That, close it all out. That's interesting. Oh, Josh, what did you do wrong? Alright, let's see if I can figure out where I went wrong here. I'm not exactly sure where I messed up. Tut block, tut block, tut block, tut block. What's my error? Yeah, just tell me my error. Why are you being stupid? Okay. I'm sorry, guys. I thought I was gonna just be able to go. I thought I wasn't gonna have any issues this time, but apparently I am. Oh, that's why. All right. My fault. We can close that. Head on over here, and then right under here. Yep. See, I didn't go down far enough. That is my fault. I'm gonna type in static, and then I'm going to enter this. I'm gonna go block definitions. I forgot to define my block, so we're gonna do static bracket, and we're gonna go mod the tut block equals, I can't spell it, tut block equals new block tut block tut block ID material rock. Ugh, I need to learn how to spell apparently. Material rock, and head on over here. We're going to set hardness to 1.0f. Set step sound. Block. Can't spell still. Sound. Stone foot step. Just like so. Head on over out of that one. Apparently that's not working. Why don't you want to work? Sound stone footstep. Erg. Okay, so let's try this. Let's go block. Sound. Alright, fine. You know what? We're not going to add a step sound then. Not that big of a deal. Set block name. Oh, why am I typing too fast with one finger? Set block name. And then we will do touch block. Head on over out of there. And then set resistance. Which I believe the higher... Well, I know that the higher resistance... excuse me. The higher the resistance, the more resistant it is to explosion. So we're going to go 10F, 10.0F, just like so. And we're going to head over and we're going to do that. Then, when we save it, apparently, tut block. What's your issue now? Oh, what did I do wrong? Material, rock. Yes. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out why this works on my other mod, but it's not working right now. I really have no idea. It's really bugging the crap out of me. And it's not showing me my errors like I want it to be. New block, that block, 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 block. Set name, set hardness, set resistance. Actually, you know what? We don't have to set the material because we did it inside of the block. And it still doesn't like this, apparently. What do you... What? Block. Tut. Block. Oops, I didn't mean to highlight that, sorry. Plug static, block, tut, block. Okay. Oh! I'm an idiot. Do not... do not put integer there. That is my fault, and apparently it still doesn't want to work. So let's try adding material here again. That... Why do you still not want to work? Okay, so I'm done with problems in there. Now I just have this one problem. So I guess, guys, this is how you problem solve. I don't understand why it hates me right now. I defined it, I initialized it, I registered it. Block, tut, block. Block, tut, block. Yes. Let's see here. Let's see if I can troubleshoot with some of my older mods. This is simpler stuff here. This is very interesting, boys and girls. I would like to apologize for this, the issue I'm having here. This really is not... I have a feeling it's something completely stupid and I'm an idiot, but... Static... Why? Why do you hate me, man? Why you hating? That's why you hating. Okay. Don't put that parenthesis there. No, you still don't want to work? Now what's your issue? What be your dealio, Filio? Momilio? Alright, you know what we'll do? Is we'll get rid of this. And we will do this. We will do mod loader. Add override. And then we're going to do this, and we're going to do this. I'm sure my thises and thises aren't making any sense, but they should in the end. So we're going to do slash terrain dot ping. Oh, excuse me. A tab over. And we're going to do more parentheses. Nope, those are quotation marks, Josh. And we're going to do, actually we'll make a folder called tut, and we'll do slash, and we'll do tut block dot ping. Just like that. And apparently that solved the problem. I'm just trying to figure out why it worked in my other mod and not this one. That's very interesting to me. But so that's that. I would like to apologize for that. For it taking me so long to figure that out. I'm sorry. But I suppose now we will go ahead and make our crafting recipe, I say. So, we're going to... This is actually where it gets easy, in my opinion. We're going to go mod loader, add recipe, and then we're going to go new, item stack, item, oops, no, don't type item, do not type item. We're just going to type tut block, if we spell it right, and we'll have it give us 4. We'll head over here, and we're going to go New, Object, except we're going to spell object right too. We're going to do 2 square brackets, then an opening bracket, and then we're going to hit enter, and then we're going to type what our crafting recipe is going to be. We're going to make it 4 cobblestone, so we're going to do XXX, just like this, except XXXX. There we go, and then we're going to type in character value of X, except you just want to do a single quotation. Character value of X is block cobble stone. There we go. I like how I caught myself on that one. And then what we do is we do boom, boom, boom. Just like that. What are those doing down there? Oh, they put them there for me. All right. Do that. I'm going to line my stuff up right how I want it. Just like that. And we're going to do a Control-Shift-S to save all. We're going to minimize. Now I will show you guys how to throw in your images. So we're actually, oops, whoa, didn't mean to do that. I'm actually going to open up Paint just to do a simple little block, and we're going to go resize pixels. I want it to be 16 by 16. Do not maintain the aspect ratio. Thank you. Click OK. Should be the right size. Okay. We're going to zoom in. Oh, I can't zoom in like that. Sorry, you actually have to get the freaking zoomy thingy. Okay, and then we're going to grab, let's make it green. Just make it a bright green block with circle in it. That's red. Alright. We're going to go File, Save As. How I save mine is I go into Tutorial and I go into my temp folder, bin, Minecraft, and then I create my new folder, which was Tut. And then we go into the Tut folder, and we call it what we called it, tutblock.ping. Just like that. Close Paint. And now you want to go into your temp folder, bin, Minecraft. You want to grab your tut folder here. Okay, you want to Control C. Then you want to go back and you want to go into your jars folder, bin, Minecraft, open with WinRAR. And then make it as big as you want. Control V, okay. Make sure it is there. Tutblock.ping. Alright, yep, that's there. Close it out. Then we are going to go back into Eclipse. And we are going to hit F11. Launch Minecraft. And we have an error. What's this error? Oh, I spelled terrain wrong. Ha ha! Terrain.ping. Control Alt S F11. And there we go. Think, yep. Let's go single player, create new world, whatever, survival, create. Crack my neck because I felt like it. Then we'll go chop down a tree. Make a pickaxe. Maybe. Come on. Why you load slow? Alright, let's go chop down a tree. Whoa! F3, there's the world seed if you want it. And the areas. Everything. So if you want those, grab them. I'm going to grab them after I edit the video. That's sweet. This is a cool area. We'll chop down this tree and get us some wood. Eat open my inventory so that goes away. I'm getting wood. Oh yeah. We only need 3 of these. That. E. Wood planks. Crafting table. Oh, that's right. I'm not used to. I usually have my inventory button set as tab. So do that. Let's make a pickaxe. Grab the pickaxe. Ugh, E, not that button. This is nice too though because this means I don't have to make a shovel too, so I don't have to dig down and find stone. There's just stone here. Although I have to punch this out, but whatever. I'm not worried about conserving this pickaxe at all. 2, we're not going to break that one and die yet. Now we'll break that one though so we can get it. Alright, and there's our 4 cobblestone. test it all out, and voila, here is our tutorial block. Just like that. Easy enough. I'd like to apologize for the errors that I caused in there, and so I hope you guys can forgive me for those errors. Whoa, jump, back up. Yeah, other way. Backwards, jump. Nope. I can't jump. Okay, anyways, I would like to apologize for those errors I had that I couldn't figure out. And I'm sorry for that. I really am. I didn't anticipate myself running into silly errors like that. But that's how you learn. You make errors, you figure them out. Can't get anywhere in life if you don't fail. Wise words from me. Anyways, guys, thank you all very much for watching. I do hope you enjoy the tutorial. I will leave a link to all of the downloads and the forum thread in the description. In the forum thread, we'll have the code for you to copy or to observe. I wouldn't say. I don't recommend copying the code because the more you actually type it yourself, the quicker you are going to learn it. I'm not going to, say don't copy the code, but I would recommend actually typing it out word for word. Because if you don't type it out word for word, you're not going to actually learn what's going wrong and all that stuff. So, anyways, guys, thanks a lot. You have a wonderful morning, evening, afternoon, whatever it may be for you. This is Josh Fox signing out, and I wish you all a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.